In the early 1990s, many people missed out on the internet because words like modem, router, and web browser seemed too intimidating. Today, those words are common, and 99.5% of the population is paying to use those technologies. In comparison, less than 0.5% are getting paid because they invested in them. What if you could invest your time in a technology expected to dwarf what happened in the 1990s? In the next few minutes, you can discover what thousands have already. We offer a practical crawl, walk, run strategy for merging e-commerce on the same technology that powers global cryptocurrency, the blockchain. Unlike the internet, the blockchain creates a network designed to protect data more efficiently while creating more fairness and transparency. What if you could make more money selling on the blockchain and getting paid for buying on the blockchain? The opportunity is immense and even overwhelming. So much so, we can't do this alone. We're reaching out to people just like you to take a role in the next big thing. On the blockchain ecosystem, our entrepreneurs leverage the power of Wall Street to reach customers on Main Street. The magic is using our big data approach to identify the perfect ideal customer profile and drive web traffic directly to your product offering on the blockchain. Now, think about this. Visualize your website having thousands of customers visiting your page daily. What would you consider reasonable to convert and purchase from you? In the next 30 seconds, let's discover the possibilities. In 2020, according to Entrepreneur magazine, the conversion rate of a cold market email was about 15%. Let's be conservative in our forecasting. What if 3%, not 15%, of 1,000 unique website visits converted to purchase your product? That's 30 new customers a day. If your profit was $10 per product, that's $2,100 a week in earnings for you. Imagine if you could convert more at even higher margins. Would you be ready to join? No product, no problem. We'll connect with thousands of product owners eager to work with you. Learn how to join one of our marketplaces on our blockchain ecosystem today by clicking on the link below.